this is the very first day of my week, and for breakfast I had this sandwich sort of thing. After that I went to watch Deadpool and Wolverine, which was so good and I loved it so much.
Out dishonoring Logan's memory. And I'll tell you how.
Later on this day, I went to Safdarjung to have lunch. I had these momos at La Kitchen, and raat mein I'm making alio olio with mushroom. I just love how it tastes, and it's one of my favorite and comforting meals. I had this and enjoyed this so much with watching Shrek. So this is the second day and I ordered some of the groceries क्योंकि सब कुछ ही ख़त्म था almost. फिर I made this matcha for my breakfast and it was okay only. I also had muskmelon, and for dinner my friend came over, so we had these pizzas from Domino's. And yes, so this is the third day where I decided to go out, and it was raining so bad कि almost हर जगह दिल्ली में बाढ़ आ गया था.
Hello everyone, so I'm at the mall and it's a very random plan. I'm here to get my hair chopped. Like I don't know क्या सोचे हैं, but I think I'll get it chopped up until my shoulder. मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा है. So I just thought कि let's get an Uber and go. क्योंकि अगर I would have given it a thought and everything, so I would have convinced myself to not do it. So I'm not waiting for that and I'll just randomly do it and बाद में I'll contemplate my decisions. And yes, bye bye long hair.
So this is me getting my hair cut. और पहले I just used to get very annoyed जब भी कोई मेरे को बाल कटवाने बोलता था, but now it's just my favorite and I love my new look. उसके बाद I went to Bread Talk to have Trestlech slash milk cake and it's really good. फिर रात में my friend Natasha sent me this cake because I graduated. And yes, तो on fourth day I again went to Safdarjung क्योंकि मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं लग रहा था घर पे, and my friend here is having apple cinnamon drink, something like that. I don't remember the name exactly. उसके बाद I went to this Japanese place called Izakaya and I had this really good ramen and pan fried momos. The food was really good. My heart was so full after having this meal. At night I watched House of Dragons and had these popcorns. Hello everyone, so this is the day जब मेरा orientation है. So I have gotten into masters and today is my orientation. I have just taken a shower and 2 बजे से मेरा प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होने वाला है and it is 12 right now. I'm thinking of taking a cab क्योंकि North Campus जाना है and also that is the first time maybe or second time I'm going North Campus because पहले मेरा कॉलेज इधर South Campus में था. So yes, that is that and I am a little excited and nervous and this is just to document how I was feeling the very first day because today is the orientation and everything. So I'm wearing this very basic outfit like red t-shirt and blue denim and I'm ready. और थोड़ा बहुत I just need to do something to my face. I'm also having breakfast right now, so I'll show you. So I'm having anar. I'm just having fruits क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है. It's so humid in Delhi. बारिश हो रही है and everything. So I'm having anar with some papaya. This is what my breakfast is. And yes, so I'll meet you guys when I get ready and have my breakfast very quick. And yes, so I'm back and I'm ready. This is a very कम सा minimal सा makeup I've done because बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी है. I've just applied blush, mascara and lip gloss. मेरा कैब नीचे आ चुका है and it's 1:10 and I think I'm on time. So this is my outfit for the orientation. I'm wearing this red top, like cute crop top. This is my denim and Crocs क्योंकि बरसात का मौसम है. And this is the tote I'm carrying. And yes, this is how I look. Hello everyone, I'm back. So मेरा ओरिएंटेशन हो चुका है and I'd say it went pretty okay. मतलब I think it's stricter than what it was in graduation. But like
It was nice, I think, or I saw my college campus and everything. Abhi I just got back home and this is outfit number 2 for the day. And I'm going to UG to UG? No, I'm going to Muji, that is in DLF Mall of Noida. And वहाँ पे I want to get some stationery and sort of stuff. So yes, get along with me. And I'll show you guys my outfit and everything abhi turant when I go to the mirror. And yes. So this is the full outfit. This is a blue kurta sort of top, white pants and chappal, basic bag and my short hair.
सो आई हैव रीच्ड मॉल ऑफ इंडिया और जाकर मेरा प्लान था कि आई विल गेट स्टेशनरीज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू डाइसन टू ट्राई दिस न्यू डाइसन एयर स्ट्रेट एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी meh product for me. I did not like it. This is me going to Muji, which is a Japanese based store for stationery and घर का छोटा मोटा सामान, and I got a lot of stuff जितना मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. I got some notebooks. I also got some pens for my college that is going to start from Monday. I also got this very cute wooden bowl and spoon with it, and yeah, that's all that I got, and that's it for this day. On day 6 I woke up so late, so I had this brunch.
This is present time me, and this vlog has been all over the place, but like so has my life been. I mean, my college started and we had the orientation and everything. So the last day when I went to the mall to like get some stationery and everything, so I did get a lot of pens and notebooks sort of things, काफी कुछ, but I did also get a very special purchase, I'd say, or something like that. So I got a little something from Dior. So this is the perfume set. So I usually don't like perfumes, but this is something that I wanted to get because इसका base notes I really liked जब ये wear off हो रहा है. And I had tried this and I was thinking of buying this काफ़ी time से. But now that I thought कि I also graduated and I'm going to go to a new college, so I thought this should be my kind of signature fragrance. So I did get this, and yes, what do I say, काफ़ी टाइम से सोचने के बाद I did, and I think I'm happy with my purchase. And look at the box, it's so cute, like it has flowers and everything all over. So yes, this is also kind of a gift to myself, and I want this to be a memory. That's why I'm documenting this as well, because like this is sort of a graduation present to myself slash a fragrance, signature fragrance for the new college that I'm going to go. So this is how the bottle looks like, and इसके साथ, so the box has 2 of these. Like there was the main fragrance, and इसका ही they have also given like a travel size जो कि आप अपने बैग में रख सकते हो, and you can travel with it everywhere. So yes. So this is the travel size one, और इसको you can just carry with you everywhere. I should apply some. Yeah, it smells good. I don't know, it's the classic one and I like the fragrance, और इसका मतलब ये मेरे को सर दर्द नहीं दे रहा, so I think yeah, that's it. So yes, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And abhi of course I'm ready, so I'm going out. I'm planning to go to Chhattarpur maybe, क्योंकि वहाँ पे Adidas और Nike का वो factory outlet है, so maybe I'll check that out. Or maybe I'm also going to Vasant Kunj where Super Kicks is. So let's see where do I go. But most probably ऐसे ही chill करने का plan है, so I'm going to Chhattarpur और वसंत लोक, one out of these. अगर वसंत लोक जाते हैं तो I'm also planning on trying a new place. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and yeah.
So after reaching Vasant Lok, I went to this place called Chard, and I did not have a lot of things there, but I think the food was good. The ambience was also pretty great. I also went to Gitanjali to get my nails done, and I really like how my nails turned out this time. घर आके for dinner I am making this fried rice, काफ़ी सारी सब्जियाँ डाल के. Basically whatever I had in fridge, I just threw it all in the pan and I just made this fried rice. And yeah, it turned out so good and I loved the taste and everything. And yes, that's it for the day.
लग रहा था कि इस सेट में लड़खड़ा रही है अर्जेंटीना, मगर कॉन्टे देख लीजिए बेहतरीन तरीके से